Hello YouTube, I hope everybody's doing great, and I did finish my Slotted Tuna Can Seiko mod watch. So here it is in all its glory. What I actually did is I found in my box that I already received these hands, gold hands, for the what I call my midnight watch. And so I took the hands off of this, which were those, and put them in here. And actually they look very nice. I like it. And the red second hand, it just gives it the i-Tüpfelchen, or we call in Germany the dot of the eye, to the watch. Otherwise black, white and silver, brushed and shiny. And so I put the gold hands on here, which I think look great on here. And this is the bezel insert that came with this watch, and I had already ordered the bezel insert with full loom for the tuna can case. So that went on here like I initially thought I will do. And now I have two more beautiful watches finished. Well, not quite finished, because on this, actually, let me put my tuna to the side. I did not glue the bezel insert yet because I have a blue one coming, but I really kinda like and think that this black will look better than a blue. I'm not sure yet, so that's why I didn't glue it in. Right now it sits like this, and I really like how this turned out. But of course, now next to my first Seiko mod that I did and talked about, this is the tuna can, and I really like it. And I have 7-inch wrists, really small. I have also small hands, and my people might think it looks big on my wrist. Well, it surely doesn't look small, but I mean, if you like big watches, you can definitely wear it on your 7-inch wrist. I had put a picture on Reddit, and some nice person asked me to do a side shot to see how thick it is. It is 14.1 millimeters. It's not that thick. Got a smudge. So it's not that big or that high. And I really like how this watch band does not taper like most other watch bands do. Taper slightly, normally from 22 to 20 millimeters, but this one does not. And I had to take 6 links out, because when I had put this on my wrist, the watch band was hanging this low, and I was afraid that I didn't have enough links to take out to make it fit my wrist. And just a second, bear with me. So this is the piece that I took out and then screwed it together like that. And you know what, I'm tempted to buy some more of these watch bands and make it a bracelet. It would be, you put it on there, it's gonna stay on there, because if I want to have a watch, a clasp, I will have 2 of the same size on the top, and I cannot just screw it together like that. So this would also really make a nice bracelet. And I'm actually about 170 grams something, 79 grams on the watch. It went down because this piece alone, you can hear the weight. It's heavy, it's solid links. And anyway, if you make it if you add a few more, you could make a ring so you won't be able to bend your finger afterwards because it's so wide. Obviously that wouldn't be any good. But anyway, like I said, I really like this watch, and I have one more mod in mind. I ordered this bezel inside bezel, yeah, bezel, and this is also absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. And I have some, what you might call it, stem? No. Oh, anyway, you see what it is. I have one in blue and I have one in gold. And my thinking is, I just might, upgrade my midnight. No, that's a midnight. That's a stealth. Let's call it stealth. My stealth watch, and add some bling to it with the gold bezel and the gold. I can't think of the name right now. So that would make this might pop, but of course it would defeat the blacked out theme I have on here with only the hands illuminated. Where's my thing? Yeah. So yeah, it's hard to take a video of it during the day when it's bright. So anyway, I have 5 automatic watches now, and this might be the 6th. If I find some nice case that I can use this ring, that might be another build instead of taking the black bezel off here and putting the gold one on there. I think I'm gonna leave this like that. It would be a shame, and it will give me another reason to make another watch. Otherwise, I made these two in short succession within a couple of weeks, and anyway, I'm expanding my collection, I guess. So if you do like it, if you want to see more about my watch builds, you can subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'm also putting all my watch builds now into a playlist, so you can, if you click the playlist, you will see all the videos I have. And other than that, it's really nice to be able to make your own watch with your taste and not have to buy something. If you buy something like that, it's almost, I would say, 3 times more expensive than building it yourself or putting it together. And yeah, I have this one idea about the second hand. I saw a nice second hand, and I will try to get that, and I might change that out, the red second hand. And but that will be something I will show and tell instead of tell and show. But for anybody who likes massive watches, this is the way to go. The slotted can just looks awesome. So I have all the links in the description in the video, so if you want to check them out. They're affiliate links, so I will get a few pennies when you order through them, if that is okay with you. And if you have any ideas for this, let me know. It's just too nice of a bezel to not use in a nice build. Of course, you can buy some cases that have gold bezels, but normally they are not that thick, and I like that the thickness of it, and how grob, how pronounced the rifling is, not the rifling what I'm talking about. Anyway, just a bold bracelet, bezel ring instead of these. That's actually also really coarse. That's what I'm looking for. Coarse bracelet. I'm sorry, bezel ring. Anyway, that's it, and thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Take care.